Hello friends, welcome to our channel In-house ERP. Today we are going to discuss greater than function under conditional formatting in MS Excel. I hope you are doing good. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel so that more useful content will come to you very soon. So let's start to see greater than function in practically. First we create a database. These are numbers. Go to conditional formatting and greater than. Next we click on 791 and you see all greater values, then 791 are highlighted. Now I click 9084, so two values including itself are highlighted. Now I click 10160, so only one value is greater. So this is useful function. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if any other suggestion, please drop a message in the comment box. Please subscribe our channel and keep support us so that we will work like this. Thank you very much.